Hey, so I'm on vacation. I found this is a vacuum they borrowed from church. It's a Shark rotator. I decided I'll make a video. This is the non-lift away version. So first we're gonna test the suction power, then see how it does. I've heard it's not that good. Decent. Alright, let me put the nozzle on. Alright, let's test how good the performance is. Yeah, I may be vacuuming with one arm, but it's not easy to push on this. Well, that's because this is a thick carpet. If it were a lower pile carpet, it would be a little easier to push, but this is really thick. I've heard they use these things at church over there. It's one of those cheap. Alright, sorry, I had to attend to something. So we'll get back to it. Oh. Now let's try it on the floor. Well, it's actually pretty decent. I can't say it's bad because, well, I've been using Kirby's a lot, and those are real good. So I would probably get it, but if you're not wanting a Shark lift away, you'd rather have one of these, I'd probably say so. It's got this swivel steering. It's got let's see how well this thing can swivel steer. Not bad. This is from church, so these attachments have never been used, but it looks like the cleaner can use pretty well, so I'll give it, I don't know,